a project initiated and supported by the Department of Science and Technology that aims to produce flood hazard maps of the major river basins in the Philippines. LiDAR. The project utilizes a remote sensing technology called LiDAR, or Light Detection and Ranging. To acquire the LiDAR data, a highly precise device is attached in an aircraft that is flown over the watersheds. This device emits focused light beams that scans and captures the topographic data of the area. The LiDAR data from the data acquisition component is then pre-processed by the data pre-processing component of UP Diliman for the classification and filtering of noise, removal of vegetation, structures, and define ground points to generate accurate digital elevation models. Pre-processed data is distributed to different SUCs of assigned areas for further editing, calibration, and integration of validation and bathymetry points. Features that are unnecessary on the data will be removed and necessary ones will be supplemented. The edited digital terrain model of the data processing component, along with the gathered data by the data validation component, will be sent to the flood modeling component to produce the basin and flood models. The data validation component has 4 major activities, which are the following. First is the preliminary survey, which include courtesy call and coordination, conduct of focus group discussions, key informant interviews, and river reconnaissance. Second is the bathymetric and ground validation, which include establishment of benchmarks and getting the river cross-section. Third is the hydrological measurements, which include gathering of the rainfall data and stream discharge. Lastly is the flood map validation to confirm the actual flood depth measurement on the grounds. Expected output of the project are the flood inundation map and flood hazard map. With these models, during heavy rain, we will be able to simulate the actual flooding of the river and predict a 6-hour early warning signal to give time for evacuation, especially to the flood-prone areas. With this, we will be able to mitigate damage and save lives.